Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Waina Mengsari, S1D 021135. So today I will explain material about teaching vocabulary using games, empowering students interested in ELT classrooms. In this presentation, we explore the effectiveness of using games in English as a second language classes. Games are a powerful tool for engaging learners and fostering vocabulary acquisition. We examine the benefits of incorporating games into the ESL classroom, exploring practical examples and techniques. The challenge of vocabulary acquisition in ELT. The first one is fast vocabulary. English has a fast vocabulary, making it challenging for ESL students to acquire a large amount of words in a short period of time. Second one is diverse vocabulary. The language encompasses words from various sources, creating a complex linguistic landscape. Motivation and engagement. Traditionally, vocabulary acquisition has been viewed as a tedious and repetitive process, often lacking in engagement. And the last one is retention and application. Students may struggle to retain newly learned words and apply them effectively in a real-world situation. The next one is the power of games in language learning. First, fun and engaging. Games provide a light-hearted and enjoyable learning environment, making the process more appealing to students. Interactive and collaborative. Games encourage active participation and collaboration among learners, promoting peer-to-peer learning. Contextualized learning. Games create natural context for vocabulary exposure, helping students understand the meaning and usage of words in the real-world scenarios. Increase motivation and retention. The competitive and rewarding aspects of games can increase motivation and enhance vocabulary retention. Games in ELT classroom. First one is choose the right game. Select games that align with target vocabulary and learning objectives. Next, set clear rules and expectations. Ensure students understand the rules and their responsibilities during gameplay. Next is provide instructions and support. Offer clear instructions and provide support to students as needed. Monitor and facilitate. Observe students' participation, provide feedback, and guide the learning process. And the last is review and reflect. Debrief the game, review vocabulary, and discuss key learning points. The last material is engaging students and enhancing vocabulary acquisitions. First one is increase engagement. Games provide a fun and interactive way to learn, keeping students motivated and engaged in the learning process. Second one is enhanced vocabulary acquisitions. Games provide a natural context for vocabulary exposure, facilitating deeper understanding and retention. The next is improve communication skills. Games encourage students to use the newly acquired vocabulary in meaningful conversations and interactions. And the last is increase confidence and self-esteem. Games can help students feel more confident in their language abilities, fostering a positive learning environment. In conclusion, using games to teach vocabulary in English as a second language or in conclusion, using games to teach vocabulary in English as a second language or ESL classroom offers significant benefits over traditional methods. Games make learning more engaging and enjoyable, encouraging student motivation and participation. They provide contextualized and interactive learning experiences, which enhance vocabulary acquisition and retention. Additionally, games encourage collaboration and communication among students, fostering positive and supportive learning environment. By thoughtfully selecting and implementing games, educators can address common challenges and vocabulary acquisition and create a more effective and dynamic ESL classroom. Okay guys, that's all from me. Any question?
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yes, please. So my question is, how do you think games can specifically improve vocabulary retention in ESL classroom?
Thank you for your attention guys. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so game enhance vocabulary retention in ESL classroom by creating a fun and interactive learning environment that promotes active engagement. They provide contextual scenarios where students can see and use new words in meaningful context, which aids in understanding and memory. The competitive and rewarding elements of games motivate students to participate more enthusiastically, reinforcing their learning through repetition and practice in a natural and enjoyable manner. This active involvement and repeat exposure to vocabulary in varied contexts help solidify students' retention and ability to recall and use the words effectively in real-world situations.
Yeah?
Yeah.